कितना प्यारा, कितना मासूम और निडर। बचपन कितना प्यारा, कितना मासूम और निडर। हर ख्वाब को पूरा करने की ताकत, हर ख्वाब देखने की इजाजत। बस पंख पसारे उड़ते जाने की हिम्मत, इतलाती नदी की लहरों सी चंचलता। चट्टानों का डर नहीं, बस बहते जाना, बहते जाना।
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. Very good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, and my wonderful students. In the spirit of celebration and guidance, today's assembly is being conducted by our dedicated teachers. It is a special occasion where we come together not only to celebrate you, our beloved students, but also to share wisdom, encouragement, and joy. This is our way of showing how much you mean to us and deeply we care about your growth and happiness. Let's make this day a memorable one filled with positivity and inspiration.
Childhood is like a beautiful garden where dreams bloom and hopes catch flight. I repeat my thought. Childhood is like a beautiful garden where dreams bloom and hopes catch flight. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Mr. PM Modi Prime Minister Modi accuses conspiracy to change Jharkhand's identity. The DRDO conducts the first land attack long-range cruise missile test. NITI Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul to inaugurate Health Ministry Pavilion at 23rd India National Trade Fair. Now some international news. India showcases finest fabric and textile expertise at IATF. Bangladesh revoked accreditation of 167 journalists. PM Modi to embark a 3-nation visit to Nigeria, Brazil and Guyana from 16th November. 2024 on track to be warmest year on record, reports World Meteorological Organization at COP29.
Celebrating Children's Day with a huge pomp and show. First of all, I would like to tell all of you that the local news, what we are going to do, the school news. Now, to begin the day from 8 to 8:30, the school will be having a special assembly which is already going on. After 8:30, there will be movies in classrooms from 8:30 to 10, and the name of the movie is Bum Bum Movie, which all children will be watching at the places, whatever is being assigned to them. After that, at 10 a.m., parents will come and pick up their children to take them and enjoy the book fair.
Everyone present over here. Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, dear colleagues, and my wonderful students. Today we gather to celebrate Children's Day, a day that reminds us of boundless joy, imagination, and potential that each of you holds within. As Shakespeare once wrote in Hamlet, you must have heard about, especially class 11-12 students with whom I keep on discussing the plays, drama and poetry that I have read pursuing my MA English. In that piece of work he has written, what a piece of work is man. What a piece of work is man, how noble in reason, how infinite in faculty. You, dear students, are indeed marvelous creations, each unique, filled with dreams and unbounded in spirit.
सहनो नस्तु सहवीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु परम सम्मानीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, प्रातः स्मरणीय विद्वान गुरुजन एवं मेरे स्नेही छात्र, सर्वप्रथम मैं इस मंच की तरफ से आपको सादर प्रणाम करता हूं और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि ऐसे दिवस की जो जीवन का सबसे अनमोल पल होता है, जो जीवन का अविस्मरणीय पल होता है और जो जीवन का एक मूल मंत्र होता है। बाल दिवस की आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बाल दिवस जिस महापुरुष के याद में, जिस महापुरुष को नमन करने के लिए, जिस महापुरुष के पथ पर चलने के लिए, जिस महापुरुष को हमेशा नमन करने के लिए किया जाता है, वो थे भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिनको हम चाचा नेहरू जी के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जिनको हम पंडित नेहरू जी के नाम से भी जानते हैं। आपका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 को इलाहाबाद में हुआ था और वहां से जो फूल खिला था, वो फूल उस मुगल तक गया, भारत के हुकूमत को उस चोटी तक लेके गया जहां हम एक बंधन से मुक्त हुए, जहां हमें एक सशक्त राष्ट्र मिला, जहां जा करके हम उस बात को की आज हम उसको नमन करते हैं। नेहरू जी की बात है, क्यों उनके जन्म दिवस पर बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है? कई ऐसी रोचक कहानियां आती हैं। एक बार प्रधानमंत्री बनने के बाद नेहरू जी तमिलनाडु में यात्रा में निकले थे। लोग सड़क किनारे खड़े थे, उनकी एक झलक पाने के लिए सब परेशान थे। कोई साइकिल पर खड़ा था, कोई द्वार पर खड़ा था। वहीं एक गुब्बारे वाला हाथ में गुब्बारे लेकर के दूर देख खड़ा, अपने पंजों के ऊपर खड़ा था और एक झलक पाने के लिए नेहरू जी की ऊंचा देख रहा। नेहरू जी वहां से गुजर रहे थे, उन्हें देखा कि एक गुब्बारा दूर से इस तरह निहार रहा है। उसके हाथों में जो गुब्बारे थे, ऐसा लग रहा था वो गुब्बारे भी नेहरू को झांकने के लिए ऊपर उछल रहे। नेहरू जी के पास से वहां से गुब्बारे पर से सारे गुब्बारे खरीद लिए और जाके वो गुब्बारे जो है पक्षी को मार दिए। ऐसे हमारे प्यारे नेहरू जी। इतना ही नहीं, कहते एक बार वो जो है कहीं बगीचे में घूम रहे थे, घूमते घूमते देखा एक छोटा सा बच्चा एक पेड़ के नीचे रो रहा है। नेहरू ने आसपास देखा, कहीं भी उनको जो है उस बच्चे की मां दिखाई नहीं। नेहरू जी ने उस बच्चे को अपनी गोद में लिया और गोद में लेकर तो पुचकारा शुरू किया, पर धीरे धीरे गुब्बारा बच्चा शांत हो गया। और जब उस बच्चे की मां लौट के आई, उसने देखा कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री के हाथों में मेरा एक छोटा सा बच्चा है। बड़ा आश्चर्य। ऐसे थे हमारे सारे नेहरू। बच्चों, एक बात मैं आपको यही समझ रहा हूं कि 1964 से पहले ये बाल दिवस 20 नवंबर को मनाया जाता था, लेकिन 1964 में जब ये महान आत्मा शांत हुई थी, उस समय ये निर्णय लिया गया कि नेहरू जी का बच्चों के प्रति जो प्रेम था, उस प्रेम की याद में नेहरू जी का जो योगदान था, उस योगदान को याद करने के लिए 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाने का प्रावधान किया गया। प्यारे बच्चों, एक पेड़ का जो मनुष्य है वो उसके बीज पर निर्भर करता है। उस बीज को किस तरह से सींचा जाए, उस बीज की परवरिश किस तरह किया जाए, वो निर्भर करता है कि उस पर कितना मजबूत वृक्ष खड़ा होगा। आप देश के भविष्य का वही बीज है। आपके चेहरे की मुस्कान ये दया करती है कि मेरा देश का भविष्य भी उतना सुंदर होगा। आपकी मेहनत का एक एक कण देश के मजबूती के दीवार में अपना जो है मतलब साबित करेगा। इसलिए ध्यान रखना, सोना सबको प्रिय है, सोना हर कोई संभालता है, लेकिन ध्यान रखना वो सोना रखने लायक बिना पीटे, बिना चाहे, बिना पकाए, बिना सफाई नहीं बन सकता है। उस सोने को तपाया जाता है, उस सोने को दिखाया जाता है, तब जाके कहीं रगड़ करके जाए उसकी चमक वापस आती है। यही प्रयास यहाँ पर आपको रगड़ करके आपके साथ हम जो है कंधे में कंधा मिला करके आपके साथ प्यार से बातें करके हो सकता है कभी जो है थोड़ा कदम बातें करके भी केवल एक ही है, मात्र एक ही है, आपका उज्जवल भविष्य। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके उज्जवल भविष्य से ही मेरे देश का उज्जवल भविष्य है। एक बार आप सबको फिर बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बस मेरी पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगा कि हर खुशी मिले तो है, इन पंक्तियों को ध्यान रखना, हर खुशी मिले तो है। कभी जीवन में किसी दुख का एहसास न हो, ये आशीर्वाद है। इस वक्त से हम सब गुजरों का सारे बच्चों, कभी जीवन में तुम उदास न हो, कभी जीवन में तुम उदास।
India is my country. And all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I love my country. And proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
ठंडो रे ठंडो मेरा पाड़े की हवा ठंडी पानी ठंडो। ठंडो रे ठंडो मेरा पाड़े की हवा ठंडी पानी ठंडो। हो 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 आ हो 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 नरसिंह बाजो तुरी बाजी, नरसिंह बाजो तुरी बाजी, बागड़ बाजो बागड़ बाजो।
Morning to everyone. So I can see a very bright and smiling morning in APS Raiwala, right from the reception area, and the children and the teachers have really worked very hard. All these smileys that I can see displayed on the walls of our corridor, they are actually adding to the happiness and smile on the very important occasion of Children's Day. Like yesterday also I was just mentioning to some of the senior students that at times they hesitate to raise their hands for many things. I'm once again reminding you, these are your very precious years. These are the days that you will always remember in your life. Even, for example, me today, if I recall the golden moments of my life and golden era of my life, it is none other than when I was a small girl like you, standing in a line in a morning assembly and very hesitant even to speak a pledge from here. So those were the wonderful times when we were nervous, when we were so innocent, when we had no, ego problems, nothing like that. But as we start growing up, lot of problems, lot of, what should I say, ego problems and other kind of problems, jealousies, all these things, they crop in. My suggestion to everyone, especially the children, is to, keep your innocence, keep your childlike attitude forever alive in your hearts. It is very important. Even I would like to suggest, even my colleagues also here, if one thing that we can learn from the children today is, they don't keep many things in heart forever. That's important. Let's forget, let's forgive, and let's start a new morning. It is so important. And the day we start, learning these things from the children, and I believe we are already contributing towards the betterness of the society. So it's so important. And I would first of all like to compliment all my colleagues
who have really put up a great and wonderful show today, despite their very busy schedule, and they had very less time to even many things I could see on the stage. They were just spontaneous. They were not even in the list, and they were just coming up on the stage. So my compliments, and this is how a teacher should be. The teacher gets very little time. There are times in the school when suddenly we have to change the program, and at times when you have to come out of your comfort zone and you feel this was not told to me one day before, or maybe in the morning, and I have to suddenly perform like this. So this is what a spontaneity of a teacher is all about. We should be ready for it, right? And especially I would like to mention Ramesh sir. Everybody was wonderful on the stage, but it is the day for Ramesh sir, because he was here presenting himself Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, whose birthday we are every year we celebrate as Children's Day, that is 14th November. He is such a wonderful orator. I would like everybody to clap for him today. And nobody is perfect, by the way, nobody is perfect. And believe me, I also keep learning every bit from everyone, every day. Today what I was appreciating, and I always tell the children, if you want to be a good orator, your body language should be so important. And you should have observed his body language when he was just speaking here, and he was delivering a speech on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His pause, his punctuation, his the way he was presenting itself, there was a lot to learn from it, isn't it? So, it is something like, we learn when we are giving a speech, we are participating in any debate, anywhere. Your voice modulation, you should have seen somewhere he was speaking, continuously, and somewhere he was giving a pause to his, sentences, and it was really amazing. And that was the effectiveness with which the message was conveyed to everyone. So my compliments to all my colleagues. I would once again tell you that you are the strength of the school. You are the pillars of strength, and even the children also. And the moment one pillar starts shaking, it will not take a lot of time to crush the building also. So let's not do that. And today at least, because it's a very bright and sunny morning and happiness and smileys all around, so let's remain happy. And as Upasana ma'am also told you that we are we have today invited Mr. Manish Agrawal. He is the regional officer CBSE, and he would visit the school also, and at the same time we are going to have an interaction of his with the students of class 10 and 12 along with their parents. I hope you have informed your parents also. So have a good day, keep smiling, keep the child alive in your heart forever. Thank you so much.